So I've by no means got these set up properly yet, but these are some amazing accessories from Grove Made. There's a wrist rest, and then also these holders for my Magic Keyboard and Magic Trackpad 2. And they just look awesome. Today is actually the first day in about a month that I feel like I'm getting back to normal. Now, for those of you who haven't watched the videos for a while, I actually had 2 wisdom teeth removed about a month ago. Then I had a recovery period, and then a 3rd wisdom tooth flared up, so I had that removed 3 days ago. Now, thankfully, the weather is getting a lot better now. We've got summer on its way. That does have the added side effect that I am suffering from allergies. So I'm going to give this a try today. This is the Vax Pure Air 300. This is an air purifier. It's got a HEPA air filter in the bottom here. It pulls in the air from a really big area in your house, and then it outputs nice clean air through the vents in the top. So I'm going to turn this on, and I'm actually going to leave it running for 8 hours today. So I'm going to set this timer and see how I feel throughout the day. Hopefully this will help with things like hay fever and also those allergies where I get really very itchy eyes and sneezing all the time, and I'm sure that's caused by dust. Remember my Nomos Club campus? Well, down here we have another Nomos box. I'm so excited because this is another Nomos Club campus, but this time in the white silver dial. Now, one of you the other day asked me when the next studio tour is going to be taking place. Well, I did my editing room tour about 4 or 5 weeks ago, and I'm actually working on some changes to the studio as we speak, and the new studio tour for 2017 will happen sometime during the summer. Here's a little sneak peek at how the studio is looking. Now, I have got some other changes planned in the very near future before I record the new studio tour for 2017. That's much better now, and no better way than to start the day with a nice brisk walk. So just to let you know that I'm actually recording this with the iPhone 7 Plus, and it's my intention going forwards to really use the technology that we have in our pockets every day to record more of my videos. They often say that the best camera you can have is the camera that you've got with you all the time, and that's often in our smartphones. So I wanted to kick things off with the iPhone 7 Plus, which is my current daily driver. And then you'll also see in upcoming videos things like the LG G6 and the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Now, to be honest with you, all of this fresh air mixed with all of this grass and pollen probably isn't doing my allergies that much good. So let's flip back to the studio and have a cinematic look at that Vax air purifier. So most of my day has consisted of this. So I've had the Vax air purifier on pretty much all day and I'm really impressed. Now at the moment it's just sitting down here and it's on automatic, so the fan is on its lowest setting, and on that lowest setting it's very quiet indeed. In fact, if you had this in a lounge environment and you're watching television in the evening or just relaxing and having some quiet time, this would not be distracting at all. When you ramp the fan up to high, then obviously you can hear it going. But the thing that's really impressed me is not just the fact that you've got a really nice sort of cool environment, but also the fact that it has actually filtered the air. It feels very, very fresh in here, and I am super impressed. In fact, I can even say at this early stage that it has made a big, big difference. I spent most of my day today sneezing, and after having this on for approximately 8 hours, it's made such a difference. Now, before I recorded this video today, I have been using this off and on for about 2 weeks, and I'm really impressed with it. It's quite an investment, but if you do suffer from allergies that could be caused by sort of hay fever, dust, and other sort of allergens that are in the air that we breathe, then this is well worth considering. Let's have one more look. Come around here. The other thing I didn't show you in much detail earlier is there is a little remote control, and the remote control allows you to sort of turn the fans up, also to access the auto mode and also the timer modes as well. It's a very tiny little remote, but at least it allows you to have some control without having to get up and use the touch panel on the front. So anyway, that's been my day. At last I've stopped sneezing. I'm going to say goodbye to you for now, so I hope you liked the new format video as well. If you did, please do hit that like button. Check out the links down in the video description. I'll see you tomorrow.